So I've just made it to Budapest, and the way I'm getting to the hotel is on a scooter. Never thought that would be my airport transport. Hey, how you doing?
How's your journey?
Yeah, good. Freezing cold, actually.
Fourth and
Fourth floor and then
left later.
Beautiful hotel. Okay, first impressions, this place is pretty spectacular. Love this artwork. Gonna need about 20 minutes now to warm up because my fingers are still numb. Look at the state of my finger, freezing cold. And I also need to wake up a little bit. I guess we meet again. That was a hell of a lot easier than the other ones that I've used. Oh, we've got fruits. Lovely, thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Fruit delivered. And this. I feel like I've graduated again. Okay, let's open this. Actually, let's first... No. Thank you, Mystery Hotel. Obsessed with fruit, especially strawberries. Let's open it. Mystery Hotel. Honestly, thank you for the warmest welcome. But I am absolutely starving and we're also running out of daylight, which is a disaster as you can see. So I'm gonna head out, do a little bit of exploring and take you guys with me. These things are so convenient. Excuse me, Margaret Island? This way? This Margaret Island. Which way? This? Oh, this way. Thank you.
It's the money.
I absolutely love these things. They are so much fun. Right now I am on Margaret Island. There's a load of people running here. I guess this is a place where people would come for a jog, come for a walk. But right now I'm gonna do a little bit more exploring back on the scooter. That was so cool. I probably will come back because I couldn't really see much because it was so dark. Starving though, gonna go and get some food. I'm going to this restaurant just there. So you don't do any Hungarian food? Can you tell me where I can get Hungarian food? Yeah.
If you go straight to find some restaurant.
Straight down there.
Yeah, 2 minutes on walk.
2 minutes, yeah.
The name of the restaurant is it's Kiskapu.
Kiskapu. Cheers. Okay, so that was a Lebanese restaurant. They didn't have any Hungarian food. I'm taking her advice and trying this restaurant here, Kiskakuka. I think that's how you say it. Hello. This is a cool place. Goulash soup. I'll get the breast of chicken, garlic sauce, risotto. Thank you very much. Very good. It's very warming considering it's so cold outside. I also only ordered sparkling water because being a DJ, I'm always around. Oh, there it is. Lovely, thank you. And that's my main. Being around a club every weekend, I consume copious amounts of alcohol, probably too much. So I'm taking every opportunity possible when I'm out in restaurants to just drink sparkling water. It's like comfort food. Thank you. So, it wasn't incredible, but it was good. Now I'm gonna head back to the hotel and I'm gonna go chill out in the spa, I think. And we're back. We've left these super cute little parcel things. I'm assuming it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Oh! White chocolate with strawberry inside. Yes! Okay, so this is better than dinner. But right now it is 6 p.m. so I'm going to head over to the spa and just relax for the rest of the evening. I had a quick look at the spa and it looks absolutely incredible. Super chill. I'm gonna go down there and, yeah, take you with me. I think I'm ready now. This is probably one of the best spas in a hotel I've ever been to. It's almost like a rainforest in here. I'm gonna go check out the sauna. Wow. And when I didn't think it could get any better, check out this jacuzzi. Okay, my mum has just texted me to say she's about half an hour away from the hotel. Yes, I invited my mum to come along with me. I don't have any friends, so I'm just gonna relax in here, just chilling out. Yeah. Okay, I've been super tempted to do this. I'm gonna get in trouble if I keep doing that. Okay, my mum's just texted me to say she's here in the room. So I'm gonna go up and meet her and then we're gonna get some food in the restaurant. Now that was lovely. Exactly what I needed. Up we go. Okay, fine. Okay, the restaurant in this hotel is already closed. Another restaurant which is a 10 minutes walk from here. I am going to go and meet her there. Let's go. And there is obviously no better way of getting from A to B in Budapest than on one of these.
I'm going to get the fish.
I was gonna get the pike. I'll get the pork, she'll get the pike. You get the plates.
Your English is very good.
Thank you very much, ma'am. You are very kind.
Are
But
you
no.
Hungarian?
Yes, I am. I'm not Hungarian. I'm fat enough.
Oh no, then why is it so good?
I never learned that. I just pick it up.
Why are you flirting with the waiter?
I've picked his
It
brain.
really seems like it. I know you're picking his brains. Second dinner of the evening.
Oh, you've been out already?
I have been out already.
You've
I had a
already
dinner
eaten
about
tonight.
3 hours ago. And I also said I wasn't going to drink. And I caved on that. Yummy. Tomatoey. Aubergine. The pork has arrived.
This fish is from the biggest lake in Hungary. It's called Lake Balaton.
Okay, just eat it. Go. You got more lettuce than you did fish. What do you mean, tasting lettuce?
Perfect.
Good portion sizes here. Quite impressed. Oh, what are your thoughts on that?
Get it from the bottom, I guess.
Oh, God.
Avoid the cream.
Why avoid the cream? What do you mean avoid the cream?
Beautiful.
Why avoid the cream? Learned that this is called somblói and it is a very traditional Hungarian dessert. I do like Hungarian desserts after this. Yeah. It's a yes from me. Cheers. Bye. No idea where the glasses are. Well, do you want to answer the door because I'm wearing absolutely nothing. So where did you leave them?
Good evening. There's two kind of.
Are they either of those?
No.
Would any of those work?
You can try it out maybe.
Try them on. You do. Yeah, you look good. They suit you, especially with the green tag on. Very tired, exhausted in fact. That just about signs out for this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like and comment and subscribe. And make sure you stay tuned in for next week's video, which is going to be 48 hours here in Budapest. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.